What are the conditions for health? This is very easy. Eat only whole foods natural to human biology, with a longer duration of not eating than eating. Don't eat more than you eat. That almost makes sense. And don't eat is a no. The don't eat has to be longer than the eat. In other words, you should have 16 hours of not eating minimum. 18 is better. 20 is better. And then just as a window of eating. You have to take care of your colon. And I'll get into that more in a minute. You have to move around frequently. These bodies were designed to move. That's where they were designed to move. And if you don't like moving, I want you to imagine if you were just a torso. Imagine you didn't have arms and legs. You think you'd want to, you think you'd be dreaming of walking to the store. You wouldn't get in your car. You'd walk to that store. We take for granted the fact that we have these incredible limbs. We don't use them, except for every 2 hours we go freak out in the gym, and then the rest of the time we're sitting around here like torsos. Okay, breathe fresh air. That sounds funny, but where do you find fresh air around? When I was a kid, we didn't buy water. Now we're buying water, and I'm sure my grandchildren will be buying air. F, adequate sunlight, but you don't want to get burned. You do want to get enough. You want to get enough. That means just wear shorts, top, whatever, and get out there for an hour a day during intense sun, half hour. Take a walk like that, which is really good. Get your own vitamin D, make your own vitamin D. Okay, rest often. We should take, what we should do at lunchtime? I know we all eat. Instead of eating, we should take a nap. Take a nap. You'll feel much better than having eaten. 100%, I will bet you on that. You go into a small room, cool room, and you take an hour nap instead of putting food in your body, which your body is going to now have to deal with while you're trying to stay awake. Avoid poisonous habits. Have an interest in life. You have to have a purpose. It's very important for people who need purposes. When I see depression and stuff like that, that is not biologically based. It's that kind of thing. No purpose. And then moderate your thinking through meditation and other disciplines. In other disciplines, I mean Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga, things like that help you, because all of those things are dealing with the breath, and the breath is intimately connected to the mind. Okay? Because if you're angry, your breaths are strong and hard. If you're afraid, your breaths are shallow. And if everything's okay, it's like that. So breathing and the mind are very important. And so yoga, Tai Chi, all of them deal with breathing. And then the bottom, probably the most important.